Okay, did you guess? Did you drop your guess in the comment? Well, you probably thought I was painting some polymer clay, but today we're going to be doing one of my favorite pastimes, but I actually haven't done this in a while. It's been some time since I painted some canvases. So, I was like, you know what? This will be a fun thing to do on my channel. I know I do a lot of polymer clay on this channel, which is great, but I definitely do other things, and this channel is handmade by me. So every once in a while, I'm going to bring you something different and fresh and new. So let's roll this intro and let's get into it. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been a part of the Oh So Pretty squad, I'm so glad that you're back. If you want to join the squad, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and you are in. On this channel, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my handmade accessories business, as well as give you helpful tips and helpful information for running a small handmade or product-based business. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's create something oh so pretty. Okay, so whenever I decide to paint something, one of my favorite things, my go-to things to paint is actually florals. So basically what I typically do is I sketch it out with pencil on the canvas first and just really get like an idea of where I want everything to kind of go. And then I just go from there. So that's what you're going to see me do first, is really just sketch everything out. And then I'm going to go ahead and start painting. So I'm just going to be using just a tile that I just generally use to bake my clay on or whatever, because I usually have the fancy paint thing. I don't know where it is right now. So I'm just using what I have. So any ceramic or any plate, or I would do something plastic, just because you don't want the paint to just really dry up on it. So I usually do paper plates as well. And sometimes I even do paper plates. It just really depends. So nevertheless, get you some paint on there. And so now that I have my flower and my vase and everything kind of sketched out, I go in and I do the background. So whenever you're painting, and this is so easy to do, one of the reasons why I wanted to do the video is because I love gallery walls. So I don't know about you guys, but these are great to decorate your office or a room or bathroom. I've done ones for my bathroom and all types of things. So this is a great little DIY to get you some really pretty floral paintings in your home. And really, this can be as, as abstract or as literal as you want it to be. I've definitely seen floral paintings, which are just like more abstract or look a little bit more literal. They look like, oh my gosh, the flowers are real there. And I kind of really do a mix in between. I do a little bit of abstract, but then I add some definition. I go back and I add some definition to kind of make it a little bit more realistic looking. And it just really depends on the day and the time and how I'm feeling, if I'm going to do more or less. So as you can see, when you're painting, especially something like this on a smaller canvas, it's all about layering. So typically when I'm painting, I might, paint a little bit, let some things dry, or paint a little bit, and then I'll move on to the next section. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm basically just moving on to the next section, and then I'm letting one part dry, and then I'm moving on to the next place. Then I'm going back to let the other part dry, and then I'm going back to the middle. That way, each part has a little time to dry, and it's not smearing all the paint around, basically. So that's kind of what I do, and then I will paint, and then I'll go in and I'll add details to it as the layering process continues. So yeah, just if you like to watch people just create, I'm just gonna pop on some music and just let's just watch me paint. If you have any questions, you can definitely leave them in the description. in the comment section, or if you're live chatting with us. Before we get into music, I do want to say this. I am doing a live sale next week, so this is in July. So if you come way later than July and you're watching this video, just disregard anything that I'm about to say. But I want to remind my people who watch and shop my handmade polymer clay jewelry, we're going to be doing a live sale next week. Are you guys excited? It's been like 6 months since we did a live sale, hasn't it? Oh, no, actually, I think we did a sale. It hasn't been that long. I usually do it within 6 months, but we actually did one back in April. So it's only been May, June, July. It's almost August. So it's only been like 4 months, almost 4 months, 3 and some change, which is great. So we're going to do another live sale. That's going to be the video for next week. So just make sure you are here. I'll definitely send out some email reminders and some reminders to the tech squad, but it's going to be a super dope sale. So make sure you're here. And I will also start to have, I think I'll have some fall items as well. I may, but we're definitely going to have some good stuff. The hoops are going to be there. I'm going to have some leopard stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in shopping, please be here next week, because we're going to be doing a live sale. And live sales are so stressful. So, not stressful. I shouldn't say that. They're challenging because it's like, everybody's commenting. People think they're first. If you've ever been in live sale, I would say, like, if you're new here, go back to my last live sale and see how chaotic that is. And then you'll kind of have an idea of how it goes down. But next week, it probably won't be that chaotic, but I just want to give you heads up in case it is. So yeah, I'm excited for next week, Wednesday at 8:30 right here on my channel. We're going to do a live sale, and it's always a good time. So after this, I am just really layering up on this paint, and so we're going to just watch this, and then you're going to be able to see the finished product soon. All right, well, we are coming up to the final end of the painting. And so like I said, I like to go back in with some detail. So that's why I went in with the dark pink, just to really bring out and make it a little bit more bring in those peony type leaves into this flower, but I've definitely have left it just like as is without, and it looks a little bit more of like closed peonies. So sometimes I do it either way, it just really depends. And yeah, I really like how this turned out. As you can see, I am adding up in my gallery wall. Now obviously there's 2 other paintings up there that are floral. I wouldn't have all those florals up there. I'll probably just like do 1 or 2, but just to give you an idea how you can add that to a gallery wall and just give it that femininity or that girly little touch to it. You could do these flowers in any color. You can always do the background in any color you desire. So yeah, I'm excited to do this with you guys tonight. Thanks for hanging out with us every single TGIW. It means the world to us that you are here live chatting, and if for some reason you are watching the replay, that's fine too. Don't forget to participate in the comment section, because I love to hear your feedback on the videos that I create. And if there's any videos that you're like, Olivia, you should do this type of art or create this, I would love to know, and I would love to try it out here on my channel, because it is handmade by, like I said, myself. And so I love to make a bunch of different things, and mostly I show you my polymer clay, but every once in a while I like to throw a curveball in and show you guys something different, or just do something different on the channel to break it up. So I'm excited, and if you missed any of the previous TGIW shows, you can always find those in the description section of this video, so you can check out either Amber's video or Courage's videos. Or if you don't know, I know a lot of you guys don't know, but maybe you do, that I have a second channel, and it's the A&O show, and that's where Amber and myself, we teach all about video content. So if you watch my YouTube channel and you're like, oh my gosh, I would totally love to have a YouTube channel as well, you can definitely check out our A&O show channel, because we do a lot of different content on video content creation. We have a organize and record toolkit on our website as well, so you can check that out. I'm not going to tell you all about it, but check that out, watch that videos over there, because if you want to be a YouTuber, that's where you should go. So see you in the next time. Peace out.